In my last video, I talked about tearing down walls, dividing us, and building bridges that will bring us together instead. And I gave 2 practical tips you could apply in order for you to have or maintain a meaningful and stronger relationship with the people you meet and interact with. So if you missed out on that video, I'll put the link to that in the comment section below. So today I will continue to share with you the lessons I've learned from my failures, and at the end of the video I'll give you 3 tips you can apply right now, and in fact your interaction with people and the relationship you have with them will grow stronger and stronger. So by applying these 3 tips, you'll be helping in tearing down the walls dividing you and these people and building bridges that bring you together. So before I jumpstart, if you're watching me from YouTube and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that red subscribe button. And if you're watching me from Facebook or Instagram, please like or follow. If you're on TikTok, kindly hit that red plus sign to follow me. So I have learned that people need to be understood. In my interaction with people, this is what I've come to understand about people. People need to be understood. Many a times we misunderstand people. And the reason we misunderstand people is because we don't take our time to listen to them. Knowing that this is who we are, we like to be understood. So what do? You can write this down. Tip number 1, listen to them. Listen to them, the people you're interacting with right now, the next minute or tomorrow. Give them a listening ear. Do not just be a listener, but be a good listener. You see, your ability to listen to someone is a virtue, not a vice. It is very important and more rewarding to listen than to talk. You do not interrupt unnecessarily when someone is talking. Many would not talk again if you interrupt them. So don't rush into concluding about someone without first listening to that person, listening to that person's part of the story. It is very important. This tip is very, very important. So I have also learned that people are looking for a better tomorrow. So we are never really satisfied with the status quo. It doesn't matter the level in which we find ourselves. We keep looking forward to better days. Keep looking forward to better days. If you measure your success probably in terms of the money you have in your bank account, let's say you have about 50 million in your bank account today, a looking forward person will be hoping that that amount doubles tomorrow, next year, in 5 years, in 10 years. You are having probably a great career today, but you are still looking forward. You are hoping that tomorrow you will have a greater career. So that is who we are. Always looking forward to have better days. Always looking forward to make ourselves better. That is who we are. That is our nature. So knowing that this is our nature, so what do? Tip number 2, show them hope. Show them hope. You can show people hope by believing in their dreams, by helping them find the path to their dreams, by helping them, like offering them emotional or probably financial support if that is what they need, by helping them find their strengths. Try to appreciate what is good in them. This will help to give them hope. Very important. Very, very important. I have also learned that people want to associate with success. If you are succeeding in life, forward-looking people who are less successful want to hang out around you. They want to hang out with you. They want to be just where you are. They want to learn from you. They want to associate with you. I said forward-looking people, not jealous people. Jealous people will not want to hang out around you. They will rather stay back, hang out around other jealous people, and then they will gossip and tack negative things to your success. That is what jealous people will do. But those are not the set of people I'm referring to. Forward-looking people who aim to be greater, who aim to disrupt the status quo. So, this is who we are. What do you do when interacting with them? Tip number 3, write it down. Help them win. You need to help them win. So one of the ways you can do this is by offering encouragement and support to them. When you offer your encouragement and support to them, it gives them that hope that they are winning. So be there for them when they need you. Be there for them when they need you. They'll have that feeling of they are winning. Another thing is you may not have what they need, but you may know someone who knows someone that has what they need. That is power of connection. Connect them to those people. Connect them to other successful people. I assure you, if you apply these 3 tips I've given you today, those walls will crumble down. New bridges will be constructed. And your relationships will be stronger. You'll experience growth more than ever before. Please kindly like, comment, and share this video with your loved ones. And don't forget to follow or subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.